Hi friends. Okay, here is Thursday's math lesson. It is Thursday, January 14th. So go ahead and grab your math book and open up to lesson 7-2. This starts on page 401. 401. All right, so first let's do our I can statement, okay? Ready? Mirrors on. I can count by ones to 120. Mirrors off. Good job. Okay, so yesterday we counted by tens, which was really easy, wasn't it? We were fast at that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way up. Today, we're talking about counting by ones. Now, I know you're all so awesome at saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you could go on and on and on. But I want to know how good you can count if we started at 100. Not if we count to 100, but if we start there. So let's look at what this says up here on my chart, okay? I have the number 100. What number am I pointing to now? Good, 101. Now you can see that this is written as 101. If this is 101, this would be 102, 103, 104, 105. Nice job. Now on page 401, it says that Jada and Alex take turns counting by ones. Jada counts from 98 to 100. So you can see her here and she says 98, 99, 100. Now, Alex keeps counting. What are the next three numbers that Alex should count? What do you think? If she says 100 last, Alex would say, good, 101, 102, 103. Go ahead and write those three numbers on Alex's speech bubble, okay? 101, 102, and 103. Remember that 0 is in the middle, okay? Sometimes when we first learn how to write these big numbers, it gets a little tricky about where we're supposed to actually put all these numbers at. Okay, now go ahead and turn to page 402. Do you see this big green square? It says this block shows 100. You say 100 for this number. Can I hear you say 100? Good. Then the next number you say is 101 because you have 100 and 1, 1. So they have 101. When you count forward, you keep counting by ones. They went all the way to 105, just like we did on our chart. Now 105 means 100, one big block, and 5 ones. Now, when you count higher, you start with the words 100. So, do you see these big numbers? It says 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do number 1 with you down here. It's partly done in your book, but let's count forward by ones, okay? So if I start at 116, what number do you think would be next? After 116, I have, good, 117. They already give us 118, so what would be after that? Good, 119. Notice how, if I took this away, it says 16. This says 17, 18, 19, 20. But when I put that 1 there in the hundreds place, that makes it an even bigger number. All right, so for today, for your practice on counting by ones, okay, I want you to do pages 401 to 404. They're going to have you do what we've been doing, filling in the blanks, thinking, okay, if I start at this number and I keep counting by ones, what comes next? All right, so don't forget to send me a picture of your math today. Also, send me a picture of your journal writing, and I will see you tomorrow.